As shallow mount subwoofers experience skyrocketing demand for space-saving audio setups, even desk-bound typists and gamers are upgrading their vehicles and media spaces with deep, hard-hitting bass. Fitting punchy low end into tight quarters requires precise engineering. This guide evaluates top options based on voice coil response, switch type, rugged frame build quality, mounting depth layout, and overall acoustic value.
Product number 1. DS18 PSW10.4D 10-inch shallow mount subwoofer, 1000 watts max power, 500 watts RMS, dual voice coil, 4+4 ohms, water resistant, best sub for tight spaces in car and trucks, 1 speaker. The DS18 PSW10.4D is a power-packed 10-inch driver engineered specifically for truck cabs, tight trunks, and cramped underseat enclosures where depth is severely limited. Pushing out a formidable 500 watts RMS and 1000 watts max power, this shallow mount beast proves that choosing a slim profile doesn't mean sacrificing window-rattling low end. What sets the PSW10.4D apart is its rugged build quality and environmental resilience. Featuring a water-resistant design, it easily withstands moisture, humidity, and splash exposure, making it an exceptional candidate not just for tight truck builds, but also for Jeeps, UTVs, and marine audio installations. Its dual voice coil setup, 4+4 ohms, offers incredible wiring flexibility, allowing you to optimize amplifier impedance matching for maximum power output. The basket layout maintains a mounting depth under 3 inches, yet houses a high-temperature 2-inch voice coil and a dense ferrite magnet structure. The rubber surround paired with a stiff, water-resistant cone delivers tight, punchy bass that handles fast transients and heavy bass lines without muddy distortion. If you need heavy-hitting power, water-resistant durability, and extreme mounting versatility for tight spaces, the DS18 PSW10.4D stands out as a top-tier performer.
Product number 2. Pioneer A-Series TS A2500 LS4 Shallow Mount 10-inch Subwoofer, 1200 watts max. Shallow Mount Subwoofer, deep bass in tight spaces. Pioneer has long been a heavyweight in the car audio space, and the A-Series TS A2500 LS4 highlights why the brand remains a dominant force. Delivering 1200 watts max power, 300 watts RMS, this 10-inch single 4-ohm shallow mount sub is purpose-built to deliver rich, natural, deep bass out of incredibly compact sealed or vented enclosures. The engineering behind the TS A2500 LS4 centers on Pioneer's IMPP, injection-molded polypropylene, glass fiber, and mica-reinforced cone. This ultra-rigid, lightweight cone structure prevents flexing under heavy excursion, keeping low frequencies precise and distortion-free, even at elevated volume levels. The shallow basket layout reduces mounting depth to just 3.5 inches, making installation behind truck seats or under cargo floors remarkably straightforward. Pioneer incorporates a ghoul spider design to control cone motion smoothly, giving the sub exceptional power handling and acoustic control. The heavy-duty rubber surround ensures long-lasting durability against temperature swings inside a vehicle. While single voice coil configurations offer less wiring variation than dual voice coil models, the TS A2500 LS4 compensates with effortless integration, highly efficient power translation, and smooth musical bass extension that turns cramped cabins into high-fidelity sound stages.
Product number 3. MB Quart DS1-304 Discus Shallow Mount Subwoofer. Black, 12-inch subwoofer, 600 watt, car audio, 2-inch voice coils, UV rubber surround, best in sealed enclosures. For audiophiles who want the extended low-end cone surface area of a 12-inch driver without sacrificing precious cargo space, the MB Quart DS1-304 Discus delivers a refined, high-output solution. Engineered specifically to thrive in small, sealed enclosures, this 12-inch shallow-mount subwoofer handles 600 watts max, 300 watts RMS with signature German-inspired acoustic clarity. The DS1-304 features a high-temperature 2-inch copper voice coil wound on a lightweight aluminum former, providing efficient thermal dissipation during extended high-volume listening sessions. Its heavy-duty stamped steel frame layout minimizes resonance, allowing the polycone to translate low-frequency signals accurately. A specially treated UV-resistant rubber surround safeguards the driver against sun degradation and ambient environmental wear, ensuring long-term reliability. With a slim mounting depth under 3.5 inches, it fits easily into slim custom boxes tailored for truck cabs, hatchbacks, and tight trunk corners. The single 4-ohm impedance rating makes amp pairing simple and reliable. If your priority is accurate, tight, and warm acoustic reproduction from a full 12-inch shallow driver that excels in compact sealed boxes, the MB Core DS1-304 Discus offers exceptional value and heritage performance.
Product number 4. Kicker 48CWRT124 Comp RT 12-inch Subwoofer, DVC 4 ohm. When it comes to raw excursion, brutal reliability, and high output bass in a slim profile, the Kicker 48CWRT124 Comp RT 12-inch Subwoofer is a heavyweight contender. Rated at a massive 500 watts RMS, 1000 watts peak, this dual 4-ohm voice coil subwoofer is engineered from the ground up to handle serious power while maintaining a super thin mounting footprint of under 3.75 inches. Kicker utilizes a signature weatherproof injection molded solo-con cone that connects directly to a rear cone brace, creating an ultra-stiff assembly that virtually eliminates flex and acoustic distortion. The red double-stitched Santropine surround provides massive excursion capabilities, allowing this shallow sub to move significant volumes of air, delivering that signature deep, chest-thumping kicker punch. Thermal management is handled by advanced perimeter venting and high-temp voice coil wire, keeping the driver cool under continuous, heavy thermal stress. The dual voice coil (DVC) layout provides immense flexibility for wiring down to 2 ohms or up to 8 ohms, making it easy to extract maximum wattage from modern monoblock amplifiers. For truck owners and custom system builders seeking legendary American bass power in a slim package, the Comp RT12 is a top-tier choice.
Product number 5. Sonos Sub Mini Black Compact Wireless Subwoofer. Breaking away from traditional car audio, the Sonos Sub Mini addresses the surging home theater and desktop demand for deep, room-filling low-end in a sleek, compact footprint. Designed specifically to pair wirelessly with Sonos soundbars and desktop audio setups, like the Beam, Ray, or Era speakers, the Sub Mini delivers rich, balanced bass without cluttering your home office or living area with bulky boxes and messy wiring. The architectural layout of the Sub Mini is genuinely innovative. It features dual 6-inch custom woofers facing inward inside a sealed, cylindrical cabinet. This force-canceling design neutralizes cabinet buzz and distortion, ensuring that all energy goes strictly into producing pure, tight bass down to low frequencies. Powered by dual Class D digital amplifiers, it effortlessly fills small to medium rooms with punchy, low-distortion sound. Setup is remarkably simple via the Sonos app, featuring TruePlay tuning technology that analyzes your room's unique acoustics and automatically optimizes the EQ response. The smooth matte finish, modern aesthetic, and zero-wire footprint make it an eye-catching addition to any tech enthusiast's workspace. For gamers, typists, and home entertainment fans looking for effortless integration and clean, distortion-free low-frequency response, the Sonos Sub Mini is a wireless marvel.
Product number 6. CT Sounds Hydro 10-inch dual 4-ohm 1000-watt shallow mount car subwoofer. Rounding out our list is the CT Sounds Hydro 10-inch shallow mount subwoofer, a heavy-duty, high-performance driver built to deliver extreme bass in challenging environments. Engineered with a power rating of 500 watts RMS and 1000 watts max, this dual 4-ohm driver blends serious SPL capability with a weather-resistant construction ideal for trucks, side-by-sides, boats, and custom automotive builds. The Hydro 10 features a reinforced paper cone treated with a specialized waterproof coating, backed by a high-roll foam surround that allows for high linear excursion. This allows the driver to move air efficiently while maintaining structural integrity against ambient moisture and extreme temperature fluctuations. The high-temperature 2-inch voice coil handles high thermal loads effortlessly during prolonged high-volume sessions. With a slim mounting depth designed specifically to fit narrow underseat and behind-seat enclosures, the Hydro 10 fits where standard subwoofers simply cannot go. Its dual voice coil setup allows for flexible wiring configurations to match a wide variety of amplifiers. Combining high power handling, rugged weather-sealed construction, and hard-hitting low-end extension, the CT Sounds Hydro 10 is an exceptional choice for demanding audio enthusiasts.
Choosing the best shallow mount subwoofer depends on your vehicle layout, power requirements, and audio goals. Whether you need the water-resistant truck performance of the DS18 PSW10.4D, the massive excursion of the Kicker Comp RT12, the refined musicality of Pioneer and MB Quart,
or the seamless wireless home audio of the Sonos Sub Mini, a shallow subwoofer lets you enjoy deep, hard-hitting bass without sacrificing your valuable space. Select the right driver for your setup and enjoy upgraded audio wherever you listen.